Hi friends, good morning. This is Srikan. Today I will explain about count to blank DAX function. See this here. This is count to DAX function syntax. Count to blank and column. Count to blank column. Okay. Let's check this DAX function in Power BI Desktop. See this here. I'm already prepared some data. So my last name have some blank values. So I need to count the total blank values. So now I am clicking new column. My column name is count blank. Okay, and type here count blank. See this here counts the number of blanks in a column. Okay, press enter. Next I'm adding table 2, table 1, and close this parenthesis. Okay, see this here count is here, count blank is here function name, and table is here my table name, and last name is here my last name column name. So now check this DAX function. Okay, see this here, it's automatically showing 2. See this here, in this place have 2 blank values, so it's automatically showing 2. Okay, count blank DAX function in Power BI Desktop.